Hi, my name is Matt Senyuk and I'm a product specialist at Raange. And today we're going to discuss 3 tips to writing the perfect text message marketing message. So at Raange, we work with some of the largest retailers in North America to help drive their text messaging campaigns. So with all that experience, knowledge, and insight, we've put together this document listing the top 3 things we look at when we're building out text messaging programs with our clients. So what we look at is our 3 simple tips. You want someone to open a text message, read a text message, and then take action upon that text message. So to open it, it's very important that you include your brand right away within that text message. So what you'll see with our text messages is we actually lead with the name of the brand that's sending the text message. And when you're in your texting inbox, the first few characters you will see is a brand name, and that is to help build trust. So a customer will open that message as soon as possible from a trusted brand that they already know, and they've already opted into receiving those messages. So after a customer has opened your text message, it's really important to get them to read it. People don't have patience, people get preoccupied, people get distracted. So it's very important to get to the point right away. And what you'll see in our text messages, and the one described here, is that our clients, we always push them to get right to the point. Introduce the sale right away. BOGO, buy one, get one, whatever it is that you're doing, you want to get that message across as soon as possible to really not only capture your customer's interest, but you need to get them to read to the end of the text message. And this might seem simple, but it's a lot harder than you think. And then once you have someone open a text message, they've read through the text message, it is very important to have a call to action. Because what's the point of sending this message if not to have somebody to actually take action on it? So at this point, this is where we suggest either putting in a link and a suggestion to click here, click now to get the sale, or to place the coupon right there so your customer knows that once they've read the message, they know about the sale, they know how to take action right away to make a purchase. And this is very important because a lot of the text messaging campaigns that we send out, there's a sense of timeliness to it. So a 24-hour sale. So it's important that once your customer is open, read, and they can take action right away and make that purchase. And this is the formula that we use with our clients to build out high converting messaging campaigns. So once again, open, use your brand, read, get to the point, and actioned. Include a call to action at the very end. So thanks for checking out our content. If you really like the videos that you see, please follow us on YouTube, and we're also on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn.